Welcome to Top 10 Amazing Facts. Today, we will be exploring 10 foods of the future. What we'll be eating in 2030. Will we still be eating burgers or bugs? Get ready to explore the weird, the wonderful, and the revolutionary, because the future of food is closer than you think. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more amazing facts every day. Number 10. Lab-grown meat. Say goodbye to slaughterhouses. Lab-grown or cultivated meat is real meat made from animal cells grown in a controlled lab environment without killing animals. It's essentially meat that's grown outside of a living animal. This process uses animal stem cells, which are then provided with nutrients to multiply and form muscle tissue, resulting in a product similar to conventional meat. It's cleaner, greener, and expected to be on supermarket shelves by 2030. Lab-grown meat can potentially reduce the environmental impact of meat production by lowering water and land usage, reducing pollution, and minimizing carbon emissions. It also addresses ethical concerns related to animal welfare by eliminating the need to raise and slaughter animals. Some people have compared the taste of lab-grown meat to a McDonald's hamburger, while others have described it as savory and rich. Companies like Good Meat and Upside Foods are already scaling production. Fun fact, in 2023, Singapore became the first country to approve lab-grown chicken for sale. Number 9. Insect protein. Crickets, mealworms, and grasshoppers are rich in protein and require 95% less land, water, and resources compared to raising traditional livestock. Insect protein is a high-quality, sustainable, and nutrient-rich food source that's gaining popularity. It's becoming a viable alternative to traditional animal-based proteins, offering potential benefits for human health and environmental sustainability. They're already eaten in over 80 countries and might be your new snack of choice. Insects commonly used as protein sources are crickets, a popular choice for insect protein powders and other edible products. Mealworms, a common insect consumed worldwide, often used in protein powders and snacks. Termites, a protein source in many regions, particularly in some parts of Africa. Other insects commonly used include flies, locust, grasshoppers, ants, and beetles. Fun fact, cricket-infused products are already on the market. Brands like Shapul, Seek Food, and Biddy offer high-protein bars made with cricket flour. Cricket flour or echete powder is used in baking mixes, pasta, and even pizza crusts, with companies like Cricket One and Grillo Protein are leading the charge. And whole roasted crickets, with seasoned varieties like barbecue and chili lime, are sold as crunchy snacks by Intomo Farms and Cowboy Cricket Farms. Number 8. Algae and seaweed. Algae and seaweed are being explored as sustainable food sources for the future due to their high nutritional value, fast growth, and ability to thrive in various environments, including those unsuitable for traditional crops. They offer a potential solution to global food security challenges, especially as populations increase and traditional food systems face environmental pressures. From spirulina smoothies to kelp jerky, algae is rich in protein, omega-3s, and grows fast with little environmental impact. Seaweeds like nori, wakame, and dulse are known for their high fiber content and can be a good source of soluble fiber, beneficial for the gut. As the world looks to ocean farming, expect more sea greens on your plate. Bonus fact, algae may even help fight climate change by absorbing carbon. Number 7. 3D printed food. Yes, your next meal might come from a printer. 3D food printing offers a promising future with potential benefits for nutrition, sustainability, and even space exploration. It can personalize meals based on individual dietary needs, reduce food waste, and even enable the creation of novel foods. Printers can create beautiful, customized dishes layer by layer. NASA is already testing them for space missions, and high-end restaurants are experimenting today. Imagine printing your birthday cake at home, no oven required. Number 6. Plant-based everything. The future likely holds a significant shift towards plant-based diets and foods, driven by growing awareness of environmental and health benefits. While the transition is not yet universal, it's expected to continue growing, with potential for a complete shift in some sectors. Beyond meat and impossible foods, we're just the beginning. In 2030, we'll likely see plant-based eggs, milk, cheese, and even fish that look and taste like the real thing, without the environmental cost. Number 5. Precision fermentation. Think brewing beer, but instead, you're brewing milk, egg whites, or even honey, all from microbes. Precision fermentation is a biotechnology process that uses genetically engineered microorganisms like yeast or bacteria to produce specific food ingredients or other products. This science-based method creates animal-free versions of your favorite foods with identical taste and texture. Perfect Day and Remilk are two companies making major strides in this space. Number 4. Air-based protein. Turning carbon into calories. This sounds like science fiction, but it's real. Air-based protein is a revolutionary concept where food is made using carbon dioxide from the air, water, renewable electricity, and a few essential microbes. The result? A nutrient-rich, flour-like protein that's packed with amino acids. Companies like Air Protein, Solar Foods, and Deep Branch are leading this innovation. They use hydrogen fermentation to feed microbes, which grow rapidly and are then harvested to create a protein source that's completely independent of farming. There is zero agriculture, no soil, no deforestation, and no livestock. Resilient to climate change. It doesn't rely on seasons or weather and ultra-efficient. It uses 99% less water and land than traditional animal protein. In the future, your protein shake or burger patty might be powered by thin air literally. Fun fact: NASA originally explored this idea for deep space missions, where growing traditional food isn't an option. Number 3. Smart foods with built-in supplements. What if your snack could track your health and give you exactly the nutrients you need? Enter smart foods, engineered to include built-in vitamins, probiotics, and even medicine. Smart foods are functional products enhanced with bioactive compounds, vitamins, minerals, or probiotics. They're often tailored to individual needs using data from wearables, genetic tests, or microbiome analysis. These foods might change color to alert you to allergens or spoilage, and could be programmed to boost your energy, mood, or focus. These foods are part of a broader movement toward personalized, data-driven wellness. Imagine a granola bar that adjusts to your body's needs in real time. Number 2. Personalized nutrition. By 2030, your DNA and gut microbiome may dictate what's on your plate. AI-powered apps and smart kitchens will use data, including genetic information, lifestyle factors, and health history, to tailor your meals for optimal health, energy, and even mood. These personalized diets are aimed at improving digestion, energy, and disease prevention. Tailored nutrition is expected to reduce food waste, all while allowing individuals to gain control over their health with data-driven insights. This isn't just a trend, it's a paradigm shift. Food becomes medicine, and every bite is a step toward optimized well-being. Say goodbye to one-size-fits-all diets, and hello to custom nutrition. Number 1. Edible packaging. In the future, your food's packaging might be part of the meal. Edible packaging is reshaping sustainability in the food industry. It offers a biodegradable, often consumable alternative to traditional plastic, helping reduce environmental pollution and food waste. Made from natural materials like seaweed, rice paper, and milk proteins, edible packaging can extend shelf life, preserve freshness, and even deliver nutrients or antimicrobial agents. From seaweed-based sachets to rice paper wraps and chocolate bowls, this innovation blends functionality with eco-conscious design. While challenges like cost, durability, and consumer acceptance remain, edible packaging is gaining traction as a promising solution in the global fight against plastic waste. Here are a few companies making major strides in this space. Lolliware. They produce edible straws and cups made from seaweed and algae. Zampla, creating plant-based materials that mimic plastic but are fully edible and biodegradable. Flex Sea developing seaweed-derived films that degrade in weeks, offering a plastic-free alternative. These companies are transforming how we think about packaging, turning wrappers into snacks and containers into compost. And there you have it. From food with built-in supplements to 3D printed pizza, the future of food is thrilling, sustainable, and just a little bit weird. What futuristic food would you try first? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a bite of the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.